The legs of the right triangle are congruent. What is the area of the triangle? The legs are these two sides that form the right angle. Because they're congruent, their lengths are equal, so this expression is equal to this expression. So that's a way we can form an equation that we could use to solve for the value of x. First, let's rewrite this mixed number 2 1/2 as an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So an improper fraction is 5 halves, and we can rewrite this expression as 5 halves minus 2x. Okay, now let's use these equal expressions to write an equation. We have 3x equals 5 halves minus 2x. Notice in this equation we have variables on both sides, so we need to collect the variable terms to one side. We have a constant term on the right side, but not on the left side, so let's collect the variable terms to the left side. To do this, we need to undo subtracting 2x on the right side by adding 2x, and if we do it over here, we need to do it over here too. So add 2x to each side, and on the left side, 3x plus 2x gives us 5x, and on the right side, 5 halves minus 2x plus 2x leaves us 5 halves. Now we have a variable term on one side and a constant term on the other side, but the variable x is multiplied by 5 on this side. So we need to undo multiplying by 5 by dividing by 5, so we have to do it to both sides. Then on the left side, 5x divided by 5 leaves us x, and on the right side we can rewrite 5 halves divided by 5 as 5 halves times the reciprocal of 5, 1/5. Then notice the 5 in the numerator and the 5 in the denominator will divide out, and we'll be left with x equals 1/2. So we know that x equals 1/2. Is that the answer to the problem? No. We need to find the area of the triangle. So we can use this value of x to find the area. First, let's write the formula for the area of a triangle. It's the area A is equal to 1/2 times the base B times the height h. In our triangle, it'll be convenient to think of this side as the base, because then this side can be the height. So let's substitute this expression for the base and this expression for the height. Now we have an expression for the area that involves the variable x, so we can substitute our value of x into this expression to find the area. Now that we've substituted 1/2 for x, we can simplify 2 times 1/2 as 1 and 3 times 1/2 as 3 halves. Now we can substitute 5 halves minus 1 as 5 halves minus 2 halves, which gives us 3 halves. And we're ready to multiply from left to right. 1/2 times 3 halves is 3/4. And 3/4 times 3 halves is 9/8. And we can write 9/8 as a mixed number, 1 1/8. So this represents the area of the triangle. Well, notice in our problem they didn't give us any units, so to answer the question, what is the area of the triangle, we can say the area is 1 1/8 square units.